Hello and welcome back, Grillman's Garage. What a beautiful day out today. We're going to do some more with the Avata 360. Okay, we've got some extras today. So these are add-ons. Are they any good? Are you going to spend your money on them? There's not too many of them out there, but I got a couple of them. Let's see if they're any good. Okay, this is a case, big case for the Avata 360, as it says. It is a big lumbering case. Okay, it's not the best, but it's not too bad. It was only about $35 Canadian on AliExpress. When you open it up here, we've got this, and as you can see, we have a few of the extras already in here. Okay, I got the cover for the sticks on the RC2. I got some really interesting guards for the top of the propellers. Okay, and if I take this out, there's lots of room in here. Okay, take these out, have a look at these. Okay, really substantial, but they're cushiony. Okay, they have a cushion here. Okay, and they're held down by a really industrial rubber band. Okay, on the back there. Okay, and as you notice here, do you notice this here? It's on the battery. It's a tiny little thing that keeps it off the ground. Is there one on the front? Let's take the nose cone off. Take the nose cone off. See that there? Just a little tiny piece of plastic, and that keeps it off the ground a couple of millimeters more. So when we put it on the ground like this, it's off the ground. So let's say we had this. Okay, have it there. That's what it's like. Okay, that's what it's like, all under there. Okay, can you see that? I'll try and get a little bit closer, but it does raise it off the ground a bit. This is not the best, sturdiest pizza box, but it does lift it off the ground. I can look down slightly, a couple of millimeters. If it's any good, I don't know. I don't know if this is of any use because this flips down, right? Okay, the feet are underneath it. It may be a millimeter, maybe. Not real much point to it, really. And this one here, it's got a directional arrow on it as well. I don't know, because other than that, it's got two little things here, keep it off the ground. As long as you're not anything more than this, okay? If it's got any texture more than this, and that's why they suggest using that orange pad, okay, the landing pad. This, it's just a 3D printed thing, probably a couple of bucks. That's all that's worth. Okay, these I think were about $8 Canadian. Okay, $8 or $9 Canadian. Okay, and as I said, this was $35 or $40 for the case. Okay, now it's the same case as I've got for the Mini 5 Pro. Not the best, a little cardboardy. Okay, so if you really want a case that's sturdy enough, you're going to be paying US dollars in the neighborhood of 50 bucks, I would say 40 or 50 bucks for a decent case. Okay, Canadian money, you're going to probably pay around 60 or 70 for a decent case. Okay, so I wouldn't say this is decent. I say it's okay, but I don't know how to make it any more sturdy, but it'll do the job. So now we're going to put this on the box out there. Let's see if these guards do any good, and if I can touch them, and we'll have this on my chest and we'll have a look. Okay, let's go. Okay, here we have it on the pad here, as you can see. Okay, and we've got the guards on it, and we've got the controller, we've got the screen recorder going, and we're going to see what it's like. Okay, here we go, noise and everything. So we're going to have a little boo here, and we're going to go up. Here we go. I would have to honestly say that they may affect it a little bit as far as stability goes. Okay, so I'm going to land that and take them off and see what happens. Okay, here we go. Gimbal error, yeah. Okay, we got it down. Let's take all this stuff off and see what happens. turn this off. Okay, let's put this back in. Okay, and we'll turn this on. So now we have it turned on again. We took those two little pieces off to see if that makes a difference. Preparing to take off.
Home point updated.
There we go. Okay, let's get it up in the air. There we go. That's the difference. So that front gimbal cover makes a huge difference. That little piece of plastic here. This little piece of plastic causes the problem. So, no good. Don't buy it. And the back one might be okay, but I wouldn't trust it. Okay, up we go. Yeah. So I don't think the propeller guards interfere with it that much. And here we go. I'm here, okay? There we go. Okay. There we go. Pretty good. Forward. And backwards. Okay. Can we hit a tree? See if we can hit a tree here. Now we'll turn this off. Okay. Boom. There we go. No problem at all. Okay, let's just turn this back on again just for the sake of it, and I can't go. Won't let me go. Okay, there we go. Bring it back. And I just have to So there we have it. Oh, I didn't turn this off. I better turn this off. Eh? Think so? Here we go. There we have it. Let's put the gimbal guard back on here and be sure you've got that black spot on top. It says the logo. Put that on top. Okay, and it just slides on. It's a cover and it's on. It's one of the easiest ones ever, which I have to recommend. DJI recommend. I have to congratulate whatever it is. DJI did a phenomenal job in this gimbal cover, not so much in the mini series, the mini 3, 4, 5. No, but anyway, great gimbal cover, slides on, slides off, not a problem at all. Okay, these propeller guards, I don't mind them. They're on pretty good, okay, and they've got that thing just in case, like if you were indoors doing something, yeah, it's not going to be that hard plastic knock, you know, and if it does happen to hit, it's got a fairly decent amount of spring to it, so that's not too bad. So you could hit it like that, not a problem at all. That's pretty good. I like them. They're good. Will I use them all the time? Probably not. Okay, but yeah, good time. I'm gonna do a little flight a little bit later. I'll keep them on for that and see what happens. But as far as the other stuff goes, okay, these, great, super. Here we are. Okay. Super. I have them on all of my controllers. Okay, put them on. Boom. There you go. You're not going to wreck them. You're not going to force them the wrong way. And I love that. Put them in the case, and they stay there pretty well permanently. Okay. Boom. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, great case, works out very good. Everything's in there, fits. Boom, away you go. These things, trash. Don't even look at them. Okay, they may work, but this little thing here, okay, it messes up the gimbal. It messes up the gimbal, and we've seen that. Okay, practically, we've seen that. Okay, there we go. So that's about it. Don't buy. A definite do not buy. Possibly buy. Definitely buy. Case, up to you. For 35 bucks, you're not going to find another case for 35 bucks Canadian. Okay, you're not. That's just a fact. Okay, you're going to pay double that. Okay, for a decent case. But for just a case, yeah, it's not bad. It's okay. It'll do. A little big, you know. They do have this same case on Amazon for $50 or 50 some odd dollars. Okay, Canadian. But it's all in one. It's more like my Neo 2 case. It's a deeper case, so basically this sits on top of this. So this is submerged. Problem is you can't have your sticks on. Okay, so I like having my sticks on there. Okay, but this here, there you go. Do not buy. Nah, nada. Okay, anyway, that's it. A little chilly out here, but it's a beautiful day. I'm going to come out a little bit later. This is not a review of this, but it's a review of some of the add-ons you can get. So stay tuned for the next video, which will be another part 2. Maybe I'll make this part 2 the add-ons, okay? But which you already know. But anyway, the next one will be probably part 3, which will be what you didn't really think you bought, or what you thought you bought but you didn't think you'd get, or you didn't get what you really thought you'd get. Something like that, okay? And we'll go into a little bit of the processing and editing and things I found out and things that DJI lied about, etc., etc., etc. Okay, till then, take care. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, ring the bell, make a donation. We're running out of money. Bye now.